Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top dividend stocks that I am buying this month. Now, some of them, I already have, so I'm just going to be buying more, and some of them are brand new to the portfolio. If you guys want to check out my portfolio, I'll put a link to that down below. You guys can see all the different dividend stocks that I have, either stocks or ETFs, some bonds. So now the top dividend stocks that I am buying right now. Roll the intro, let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so the very first dividend stock that I absolutely love and I do already own is the one and only Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC. Now the reason why I love this one so much, guys, is because right now they're growing at around 29.2% on dividends. So that's fantastic. Now look at the growth with stock value as well. So you're getting huge increases, huge payouts, your stock value is growing. This is just a no-brainer investment, and the company is doing very, very well. Good earnings, good fundamentals, all of that good stuff, which is fantastic. Basic resistance here at these highs here at 41. It almost feels like they're making new highs like every other week, which is fantastic for investors like myself here. Now, the second company is a company that I do already own too. It is Home Depot. Home Depot is growing their dividends right now at around 20% or so. But look at this. Huge explosion, guys. Absolutely crazy. Very strong increases in dividend payouts. So before they paid $1.50 dividend. Now they pay $1.65 dividend. So huge growth, huge upward trend. Basic resistance here at these highs here that they created this past week, up to 2% today. This is just another no-brainer investment. For me, dollar cost average this one, use the volatility of Home Depot, because we'll probably get a little bit of sell-off here within the next week or so, because, that's kind of what happens is we have huge upward trends, a lot of explosion, sell-off, okay? Buy more when it sells off. If not, just dollar cost average this one all day long here. So now the third one that I want to talk about is the one and only Mastercard, ticker symbol MA. Beautiful growth here, 44 cents a dividend. Now this one's growing their dividend at around 19% or so. So it's not as good, as Home Depot and Bank of America, but 19%, still 19%, my friend. It did have some pretty hard resistance here at around 350. It had a hard time breaking above it. Now it is using it as some new support with some new resistance here at around 386 and more at around 400 here. So obviously dollar cost average this one because it's pretty volatile. 44 cent dividend, huge margins. I love Mastercard because their margin rate is like 49%. So what that means is every $100 Mastercard brings in, they actually profit $44 or something even higher than that, $48, $49, which is fantastic here. So the next one here is Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX here. Beautiful upward trend. It looks like we have a 45-cent dividend, and not to mention, guys, right now Starbucks is growing their dividend at around 19%, very similar to Mastercard. So huge potential with this one. Solid fundamentals, beautiful stock chart, no real major resistance other than 118 in sight. So I think this is a solid investment here. Now I did have Starbucks way back in the day and I sold some to actually buy Amazon. So now I'm going to be actually getting more of them because there's still a ton of potential with this company here. So moving on to the next one here, we have JP Morgan Chase here, ticker symbol JPM here. So this one is just another, for me, it's another no-brainer. This company's been around for a while. It's probably the most popular bank in the United States. Pays around a 90-cent dividend. It's not as volatile as other banking stocks. Basic resistance here at around 161. More support here at around 145 to 150. So you can dollar cost average this one too. That would work very well. Use the volatility, or you could just do a one lump sum. Don't even look at it, for 2, 3, 4 years here. So this is just another fantastic company here. Now the next one here is another fantastic dividend stock here. Ticker symbol ABBV ABBV here. This one's growing their dividend at around 18%. Pretty volatile, but overall solid dividend payouts of around $1.30 every single quarter. Resistance here, it does look like we did have a little bit of resistant breakout recently at around 115, so that it would be the new resistance here. Support here would be right around $100. So dollar cost average this one, or you guys could just wait for a little bit of sell off or just hop in it. Don't even look at it for a couple of years, but I would honestly wait for a little fall back down to at least the $100, if not 115 mark. But now probably the most sought after dividend stock right now, it's not Coca-Cola. No, it's not that. It is the one and only. It's another banking stock here. I'm not sure if you guys know it. It is Citigroup here. This is another dividend stock that's right now growing their dividend at around 59%, which is absolutely crazy here. Resistance here at 76, support here at around 69. You guys can see resistance, support. Does look like we will probably get a little more sell-off here back down at 69. So this one I don't have, but I plan on buying it this month here because there is so much potential here. Now the last and final one that I want to talk about is just another fantastic company that I already own. It's Lowe's. Me personally, Home Depot is better on the fundamental side. Lowe's has been around a little bit longer and they're a dividend king, so you can kind of weigh the pros and cons of each. Nice upward trend here, 60-cent dividend. It's a little more affordable than Home Depot, but still good fundamentals, good chart here. Support here at around 195 and more here at around 180. Resistance here at around 208. I would hop into this one or dollar cost average it, so you can get a good average price for your shares, or hop in it. Don't even look at it for 2, 3, 4 years and just see where it's at. So these were the top dividend stocks that I am buying this month. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So that's it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments, and we will see you later. I can't even talk. Take care, guys.